This is John with our Malco School Training Series, where we will teach you how to use our ductboard cutting tools to fold fiberglass ductboard.
Malco's fiberglass ductboard lineup includes two easy-to-use models for HVAC professionals. The black V-cut model is used for creating clean, precise V-groove cuts for foldable ductboard joints, and the red cut-off model is designed for straight edge cuts. Each model comes in a 1-inch, 1.5-inch, and 2-inch blade size options. The 1.5-inch is the most popular size in the market today. These ductboard tools are built with simple but effective features to provide precise and clean cuts every time. The high-grade blades are heat-treated in stainless steel for ultimate corrosion resistance and superior edge retention. The heavy-duty steel sled features a thick base for prolonged durability. Malco also offers replacement blades for these models for continued use after normal wear and tear. Now let's show you how these tools work by fabricating an 8-inch by 12-inch rectangular duct with 1.5-inch ductboard. Before you get started, ensure that you know how to hold the tool properly for best cutting performance as shown on the screen. For your safety, please always remember to wear your PPE, including safety gloves and protective eyewear. A tilted workbench will help you reach the end of the duct as you are cutting it, but any large flat surface will work to cut the ductboard. Begin working left to right. Use the layout chart as pictured on the screen to measure from the edge of the duct to the side of the tool. Lay out your cut lines beforehand, then you will guide the tool along the lines you have marked with a Sharpie. Using the recommended table and the duct size you are looking to create, mark your first ID measurement minus 11/16, or in our case, 8 inches minus 11/16, which equals 7 5/16. Then let's measure the second cut line. Starting from your first cut line, measure your ID plus 2 3/8, or in our case, 12 inches plus 2 3/8, or 14 3/8. For the third cut line, measure from the second cut line, adding the ID plus 2 3/8. For us, that would be 8 inches plus 2 3/8, or 10 3/8. Now let's make the last cut line. Measure from our third cut line, adding the ID plus 2 5/8. Or for us, this would be 12 inches plus 2 5/8, or 14 5/8. Here's what your marked up ductboard should look like after marking all 4 cut lines. When cutting, keep the tool flat at both the start and the end of the cut to ensure accuracy. Once all 4 cut lines are laid out, you can cut the ductboard. After cutting, you may need to remove any excess ductboard material from the foil flap to prepare it for stapling and taping. Carefully score the insulation, being sure not to cut through the foil facing. Then fillet off any excess ductboard to leave a clean, smooth flap. Now that the duct is cut and the foil flap is cleaned of any excess material, we are ready to fold the duct, staple it in place, and apply foil tape. For this step, you will need a stapler and a squeegee to properly secure and smooth the tape. Once the duct is folded into shape, staple the foil flap securely in place. Next, tape the seam using foil tape. As you apply the tape, use a squeegee to press it firmly along the entire seam. The tape's adhesive is heat activated, and the focused pressure of the squeegee generates the heat needed to properly bond the tape to the surface. For in-depth instructions and guidelines for fibrous glass ductboard fabrication, we recommend ordering the NAIMA Manual 7502, an excellent resource for industry best practices and guidelines. Thanks for watching this Tool School series. To purchase your own set of Malco ductboard tools, please visit your local Malco distributor.